Hi guys, it's me again. Hope you're having a very nice gel blasting day. So today, I just want to share why I chose to start doing gel soft or gel blasting. No, I have 6 reasons that I wanted to share. So as a starter, number one, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, it's the cost, diba? It's very ah, ah, sa halagang 3K, no, or 4K, no, may matino ka ng high-end entry unit eh. Diba? And kung siswerte ka pa nga, kapag sale sa mga shopping app, wala pang 3K may makukuha ka na at goods na yun para maglaro. Number two, no, the joy of having a toy gun. Diba? Majority, if not all, no, gusto syempre magkaroon ng toy gun replica. Diba? Lalo na yung mga lumaki sa mga pellet gun, tapos may every December may CQB sa daanan. Ngayon. So, iba yung feeling na meron kang unit. No? Number 3, pain tolerance. No? With all due respect naman sa ating OG na Airsoft, no? Mas lighter ang pain impact ng gel soft. Hindi po siya bumabaon sa balat na kailangan mong chiniin. So everybody gets to recover fast and enjoy the game. So, gaano ba siya kasakit? Baka tanungin nyo ako. Parang pitik lang ng giant. Joke lang. Number 4, upgradable. Katulad din ng Airsoft, you can upgrade it. So those that are leaning towards, being techie, enthusiasts, you really love to tinker on things. It's very upgradable. Number 5, community. No, this is in my experience. In the community that I've joined, I really love how the players, the marshals, the admins are very accommodating, be it newbies or especially newbies, no, or the veteran player. Siguro yung minority lang ng hindi ganun kabait are the zombies. Joke lang po, joke lang. Pero kidding aside, when I started playing the game or entered the hobby, napakabait po ng mga players. So, maingganyo ka talaga maglaro. And lastly, which is my number 6, would be the exercise. Exercise to the max. Hindi porket 30, 40, 50, 60, no? That's not the case. Actually, this is the hobby for those ages, no? Kala ko nga, hindi ko na kaya. May bubuga pa pala ang tuhod ko. So, let's go back in being physically active, no? Maraming magandang benefits yan sa atin. So, ano pa iniintay mo? Kunin mo na unit mo. Suot mo na gears mo. Kita na tayo sa game site. At mag-pew-pew na tayo. Diba? Let's go.